this video, I am going to revisit zone cleaning now that I've done a whole house declutter. Last year, at this time, May 2019, I created myself a zone cleaning checklist and I could not keep up with it. There was just too much clutter. So every time I'd go to clean and do the zone cleaning checklist, I would be stuck, ending up organizing clutter, trying to move things around just to clean. And it was really hard to clean. I wanted to reintroduce zone cleaning in the house and see if it helped me stay on top of cleaning in a better way. In this video, I am going to show you my Friday zone cleaning, which is family room and dining room. I'm going to fix the couch. This couch cushion just keeps sliding off on the chase portion of the lounge, so I'm going to fix that. I'm also going to give Folex a try on the paint stains in the dining room. Thank you so much for that recommendation. We're going to give it a try. Welcome to my channel. My name is Erica Lucas, and I share videos about living with less and minimalism on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So before actually starting to clean, I needed to put everything back in its home, and I recruited my kids to help me. This is not something that I used to do a year ago. I did not ask my kids for help. I did not encourage them to clean up their own messes. That has been a part of this journey that really came to front with me, that I need to employ my kids to clean up their own messes and be responsible for their actions. And I've had some criticism on this channel in the comments about that. And I appreciate all comments, even the judgmental ones. I appreciate, because it really does make me take a step back and think about, how can this be better? I just took it upon myself rather than getting my kids or teaching my kids about the responsibility of cleaning up before a year ago. Someone actually had commented that that it's okay, your house, your rules, but would you want them behaving that way at someone else's house? And then I realized that it was about the lessons that I needed to do. So even my style of parenting has changed on this minimalism journey. The zone cleaning checklist that I'm using, that I made for my house here, I adopted from the Secret Slob, who adopted her process from the Fly Lady. So zone cleaning, you may have heard mentioned on Fly Lady's channel, or This Is How Jen Does It. I will link those channels below. The Secret Slob has spent years adapting cleaning processes on her channel. Please also check her out. I'll link her below. So I did that for my house, and that's how I created this weekly sheet with these daily little reminders about things. And it was really, when I tried to do this a year ago, I did not get through a week of this schedule because there was just so much stuff in our house that I couldn't clean the way in which I'd like to clean. There was so much stuff in the way just to run the vacuum or to wipe down a surface. And now, having lived with minimalism for so many months, I find it so much easier to clean. So I'm experimenting now with zone cleaning again, just to try to do a little bit better job of keeping up with the house now. I'm wiping down the couches with a baby wipe, just spot cleaning in areas. This microfiber cleans really easily. This is a new couch for us, so it's really kind of being put to the test right now with yogurt and other things that don't belong on the couch. Dog footprints, crackers, all kinds of stuff. So I'm just spot cleaning certain areas. Thank you so much for participating in the poll yesterday. 1,500 of you gave a response about your cleaning routine, and the majority clean whatever and whenever, which made me feel great because that's pretty much how I do it. So I'm reintroducing zone cleaning into my house as a way of making sure that I am getting all the nooks and crannies of the house, because sometimes the house just feels dirty and I just want to be a better housekeeper about it. I loved all of the comments, over 100 comments of the way you do it. Thank you so much, you guys. You educate me so much. Lots of you like the Secret Slob, just like me. So really, really, truly, if you have not seen her, go over to her channel next. She's great. And I love all the comments about getting their kids, they get their kids to do the job. They don't go to bed with a dirty kitchen. They just spend 30 minutes cleaning whatever needs cleaning, and then that's it. Setting yourself cleaning boundaries is what I took away from all of your comments, that it shouldn't take up your morning. It should be something that you do to keep your house on track, but doesn't overwhelm you. It affords you a clean house while not taking over your day. My windows are in a constant state of dirt. There's always dog nose kisses on the window, kids' handprints. I mean, everything is like the 3-foot level and down as far as dirt and grime on my windows. So I don't even notice it sometimes because it's such a daily thing. But when someone comes over to the house, I notice it. I had a friend stop by yesterday and I realized how dirty the front window was. That's what spawned me this morning to be like, you know what? I need to be a better housekeeper, because company randomly stops by and I'm doing okay, but then there's just like yogurt on the front window. Thank you for all the recommendations on the Folex carpet cleaner. Here's the before and after. You saw what I did. I sprayed it, let it set, agitated it with my fingers like the instructions said, and then blotted it. I actually did that process twice. And here's the before and after. Tell me what you think. Did it make an improvement? I am absolutely game to just keep doing it. I don't have experience with Folex. Do you guys have to use it over and over and over? Or is this just a lost cause at this point? And now it's just pretty rainbow on the rug until we rip these carpets up. Let me know. Leave me a comment below if you have experience with Folex or what you think of the before and after image here. If you think I should just keep going with the Folex and see what happens. While we're on the topic of cleaning products, I got Barkeeper's Friend. You guys, hundreds of comments about this product that I've never heard of. This is what I'm going to use on my Korean sink to try to get this stain up. I can't believe how many people responded with Barkeeper's Friend and emailed me and messaged me on social media. I am going to try this on Monday when I do my kitchen zone cleaning. This couch cushion on the chase portion of the lounge slides off all the time. So I'm just going to put an end to it by putting the double-sided Velcro onto the cushion and the couch base. These are our homeschool supplies that are just for the balance of this year, and I'm starting to plan for next year, so I've got a mix here, and I'm putting the plant back underneath the television. So now I'm just putting things back where they belong, but I'd like to show you inside these two baskets. I get questions about it, so I do want to share what's in here. Is our Bible basket. We typically do this during breakfast. I have a couple of books for myself. I have a Homeschool Mom Bible, Women of the Word, and Mom Moments. Those two came as a recommendation from Pennies and Salt. I will link her channel below. It's a student Bible. My son, my oldest, asked for his own Bible, so I bought him this one. This was a recommendation from Life in the Mundane. Please check out her channel as well. And in our homeschool basket, I just have the balance of things for math and language arts for all three kids in here, as well as some science. And this stack are just some workbooks that we found in the basement that I'm going to fold in for next year's planning. And then this bin houses the manipulatives that my two youngest use right now. They are working on letters and phonics. My middle child starts kindergarten in a couple months, and she's working on phonics. She's working on the sounds of letters and how they pair together. And then my youngest is pre-K, and he's just learning letter recognition. So we just have some things in here that they can play with and experiment with and practice with while I'm actually doing a lesson on language arts with my oldest. this is our games basket. These are the games that work for all 3 kids, so we can just pull out and play anytime. I plan on making more of these zone cleaning videos, so if you like it, let me know by liking the video and leaving me a comment about it. Next week, I am planning on doing the kitchen and the yard and the bathroom and the sunroom. Those are my scheduled days for Monday and Wednesday, so I'm gonna do those in the morning and then post the videos in the afternoon, just like I did with this one today, Friday, for family room and dining room. Helps my channel so much if you like, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate your time, so thank you for watching. Here's another cleaning video you might like, as well as the most recent video on minimalism.